super scared when I'm in a super suit. But when I run on the track team,
super suit.
I pretend to be normal. I don't want to blow my
coat.
I always was super.
Win second. What does that say? I always win
In second place. When we are normal, Dad goes to work. Mom takes care of Jack. My sister
V and I. My sister V and I
go to school.
Other
times we put on our super suits and fight the bad guys. We only look best.
Now stop a minute. Now listen to the way I say it. I mean, this is the way you think about it, okay? You're trying to go too fast. Other times, see that comma after the S on times? Other times, we put on our super suits and fight the bad guys. We always win because we're really
the
Incredibles.
Before I was born,
supers ruled. They kept the world safe
from bad guys. My dad was Mr. Incredible. He was the best super, and he always went to work alone. My mom,
East Tiger. That's a hard word. Elastigirl.
Yes.
She's elastic. My mom.
What's elastic?
It stretches like your underwear and your socks.
Okay.
My mom, Elastigirl. Famous. She was famous. She could slug a criminal
from
down the block. Well, that's kind of funny the way they write that.
Smack.
Say that one more time.
Smack.
No. Oh, yeah. See, she's elastic. She stretches. She's Elastigirl.
Then the supers got into trouble. People stopped wanting to be saved. They started thinking that supers could probably cause they told the supers to quit because
No. They told the supers to quit being
heroes.
They told the supers to quit being heroes.
The supers went into hiding. They to be normal. Pretended to be normal.
Try some of those words. Just try a little harder to sound them out.
Mr. Incredible
became Bob Parr. What was that name?
Bob Parr.
Elastigirl
became
Helen Parr.
Then they had us.
Then they had us kids.
Parr.
V.
Where's V? What does it say? V.
Let's say that VI.
Where's the VI?
The capital VI. The front of the sentence?
Oh.
Over here.
No.
V and I.
Where is V and I? Tell me where it is on there.
See right there? It said V and I.
V and I were supers, but Jack was normal. No, he really is super powerful.
Yeah, they just look like normal people.
No, they said Jack was normal.
Jack must be that little baby.
But he's normal.
Mm-hmm. He's not a super.
Yes, he is. At the end, he is.
Oh.
V could turn invisible. He also made force fields. V and I sometimes use our superpowers when around Mom and...
When we argued.
When you argued around Mom and...
No, wait.
Mom
Said V and I...
that.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Said V and I sometimes used our superpowers when we argued. Oh, that's not good. He's lifting up that table, making a mess.
Mom had began problems.
No. Mom had bigger
With Dad.
problems with Dad.
With Dad. He still wanted to be a super. One time his boss would not let him save someone. Dad gave him a tiny push, but it was a super push. Dad lost his dog.
That's not good. Let's get ready to take a picture.